Ever feel overwhelmed by all the tools you need just to send swag, gifts, or recognize your colleagues? Managing everything separately can be frustrating and time-consuming. Until now. Meet Stadium, the all-in-one platform for global recognition, swag, and gifting, built for employees, clients, and partners. Start your Stadium journey today. Access our diverse catalog, browsable by country, featuring thousands of products across categories and top brands like Yeti, The North Face, and more. Use your swag for gifting, events, or in your company shops, where recipients redeem items of their choice. Easily design and store your swag. We'll handle production, kitting, and global shipping. We also fulfill locally, avoiding fees and customs delays. Automate gifting by syncing contacts via CRM or HRIS and creating campaigns for onboarding, anniversaries, and more. Or recognize your peers with kudos, integrated with Slack and Microsoft Teams. After all, we're built for seamless collaboration. Easily organize brand assets, manage shops, and allocate budgets, all in your company space. No matter your department, Stadium consolidates all your needs. Join over 8,000 companies replacing multiple tools with one integrated solution. Talk to sales today.